Astros begin a series against the AL West rival Angels, and Houston would give Verlander an early lead to work with.
Line drive into center field, and that gets down for a base hit. Correa rounding third, heading for home. Correa scores standing up, 1-0 Astros.
Well, what a piece of hitting by Gurriel.
2-2, Verlander with a strikeout to end the inning. Justin picks up his third strikeout.
Got him swinging at a high fastball. That's strikeout number 5.
Pitch 100 is a swing and a miss for a strikeout to end the inning. Called third strike, Verlander, and he is through 8. He sends one towards right. Springer trying to get there, drops in for a hit. Springer will barehand and make the throw to second, and Phillips safe, but he left the bag, he is out. He did not stay on the bag, and Correa hung with the tag, and he is out at second base.
And it comes down to Mike Trout. Now the 1-1. Chopper toward third, charged by Bregman. On the run, he throws. Ball game is over.
Ken Giles gets the save, and the Astros win 1-0. With that, Houston snaps a 4-game losing streak, and Justin Verlander dominates over 8 innings. The right-hander allows just 1 hit and 1 walk with 9 strikeouts. He also wins in Anaheim for the first time since 2010.